How to waterproof a concrete roof deck with light-duty traffic. Unprotected concrete can absorb water, causing leaks and surface damage over time. BLOCKOUT CLEVERSIL forms a seamless waterproof barrier that helps protect concrete from water intrusion. Step 1. Ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, oil, and loose particles before application. Make sure all corner joints are properly treated with blockout strips before proceeding. Next, apply Surfix Epicoat MB as the moisture barrier primer and allow it to dry as specified. Using a roller or brush, apply BLOCKOUT CLEVERSIL in a thin, continuous coat over the entire surface. For floor drains, first apply a separate coat inside and around the drain before coating the rest of the surface. Continue applying a uniform waterproofing layer across the area to achieve complete coverage. Allow 1 to 2 hours between coats, depending on the coating thickness and weather conditions, before applying the next layer. Once the first coat has dried, apply the next coat evenly to achieve complete waterproof protection. For the parapet wall, apply BLOCKOUT Soppel RTU for additional waterproofing protection. The result? A durable, seamless waterproof barrier that helps protect concrete surfaces against water penetration. BLOCKOUT CLEVERSIL water-based polyurethane membrane.